Hello everyone, welcome to ElliottWave-Forecast.com YouTube channel. This is Henry and today is March 24th on Tuesday and the time is around 3:30 a.m. GMT. Today we'll be looking at the chart of 10-year notes. Here is the 60 minutes chart of the 10-year notes. We could see that this rally, okay, over here to 140.2 ended with 1, and then the pullback is proposed complete as a wave 2 at 133. Since then it has already started to turn higher. Now we can see right here this pullback is in the form of a double 3 WXY. Alright, if you measure the extension using the Fibonacci here, you can see that we have a more or less a 3 swings and hit the 100% extension and then start to turn higher. So in fact we actually bought it here in the live trading room the other day. So now after the rally, our position is already risk-free, meaning we have moved the stop to our entry level, therefore we have no risk. If in case it breaks down again, then we won't lose any money, because at worst we're gonna be stopped out at break even, right? So that's one of the ways we manage the risk in EWF. We always find ways to be able to manage the risk properly and minimize, as soon as possible, create a risk-free position. Now we can see in the rally here now looking like a 5 waves, right? Looking like a 5 waves, and it looks to be completed here. If you draw a trend line, it looks like it has more or less breaking below it. Now I think I can still draw it like this. Then if that's the case, then another marginal high cannot be completely ruled out, for example, even though it does look as if we might have ended already, but we could still be doing something like this. We still can be doing 3, 4 like this, and one more push higher in the 5 before finishing, right? Anyway, looking for the pullback for now to hold above 133.2 for more upside in ZN. Okay, we're looking for the pullback to hold above 133.2 for more upside in the ZN. So technically speaking, this wave 2 here is not fully confirmed until we actually break above this previous high here, right? Since we have not broken above this previous high, from technical point of view, you cannot rule out a possibility of something like this to happen, which is a bigger correction, double correction, right? Cannot be ruled out until we break above wave 1. Now, however, since the rally from here, it looks like an impulse, so I think there is a better likelihood, even though it's not yet confirmed, there is a better likelihood that we can see for the upside as far as the pullback stays above this 133.2 right here. Okay, so ZN we're looking for the upside. Now let's zoom out, looking at the weekly. So here you can see on the weekly chart of the ZN without labels here, if you look at it from October 2018, you got a pretty strong rally, and you have somewhere here is either 1, 2 or A, B, and then you got a new high, right? So if you just measure simple Fibonacci here extension, now you notice that we have not reached the 100%, which is 142.28. so I think as a minimum we can assume that we could see at least this area 142.28. I think the 100% is going to be the minimum to finish some sort of like a 3 swings here from the October 2018, right? So again, the ZN, then this move to the upside, when that happens, could at least see this target here, 142. Now remember, until we really break above with 1, technically you cannot rule out this. You still cannot rule out this until we break above with 1. All right, but this 3 swings extreme area here, 1, 2, 3, if people manage to buy the extreme, then it doesn't matter whether we do double or not. We are I mean, people should be risk free already if they manage to buy the extreme in this pullback right here. Okay, so that's the update for today. I will provide the link if you want to try out, check our service. We have 14 days free trial. Okay, and see you all again tomorrow. Have a nice day, everyone.